Let's go across now to my colleague Vasanthi Hariprakash. Well, let's just quickly give you a background of this story. Kerala Chief Minister V.S. Achuthanandan says he will not apologize to Major Unni Krishnan's family for his remarks yesterday, in which he said that had it not been for Major Sandeep Unni Krishnan, even a dog would not have come to his house. His remarks came after the family of the NSG commando who died fighting the terrorists during the Mumbai attacks refused to allow the Kerala Chief Minister V.S. Achuthanandan into their house. Now, Vasanthi Hariprakash joins me on the phone line. Vasanthi, well, it was quite an unexpected statement coming from the Chief Minister, and more so that he's not even going to apologize. What exactly did he say when you tried to talk to him?
Well, Divya, first of all, at a time when the nation is mourning its dead with the recent terror attacks, and at a time when a martyr's family just wants to be left alone to mourn its only child, it is extremely unfortunate that a politician, the Kerala Chief Minister, has made a remark such as what he did. And of course, he is quite unrepentant, and he said that he wouldn't want to apologize. But as far as Mr. Unni Krishnan is concerned, that he says that he does not want to talk anymore. In fact, he is. We're told he's resting and then certainly wants to be left alone. I mean, I think it's very unfortunate that the Chief Minister, instead of offering sympathies and understanding the situation in which a Braveheart's father is, chose to actually make this kind of a remark. Divya?
Vasanthi, now we understand that Mr. Achuthanandan also said that there was something about, that the Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Yediyurappa, when he had gone to offer his condolences, the family did not react that way. There were some really unfortunate comments coming on that side as well.
Well, Divya, that basically had to do with the fact that the Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Yediyurappa, had visited the family early when Major Sandeep Unni Krishnan's body had arrived. And I think it didn't really have to do with this leadership or that, but the family of Sandeep certainly felt that they need to be left alone. And considering that a day had already lapsed, a message was sent out to the Kerala Chief Minister saying that the family would like to be, would like to have no visitors. But that message doesn't seem to have been well taken. And when the Chief Minister did land, I mean, at the heat of the moment, Mr. Unni Krishnan, of course, is believed to have kind of lost his cool. But then I think that moment is past and one just needed to move on. But instead of that, I think the whole needless controversy has really come up at this stage, and that has not done anything better to improve the mental trauma, the situation in which the Unni Krishnan family right now stands. Divya?
Right.